Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Silvercrest Cordless Steam Iron. Cordless iron for quick and easy use. Can also be used with a power cable. High quality ceramic sole plate makes it easy to glide across fibers. Adjustable temperature control. Water reservoir 320 ml. Self-clean drip stop with a 190 cm cable. 2400 watt is the power consumption. Spray function includes water refill beaker with a 360 degrees base and 3 years warranty. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Nice power cord, I like it. Adjustable here, flexible. Measuring cup, maximum water fill level it is 320 ml. Now at the base we've got the lock and lock switch. Arrow here, another here, alignment together, and it locks. To unlock, just slide this switch and unlock. Nice. And there is the beautiful yellow and white cordless iron steam. At the front we've got the water nozzle extraction. Here it is the fill opening water tank. With this measuring cup, you can fill up a 320 ml of water at this transparent container. It has rubber around and it can lock very well, no water will go outside. The steam control, off, first and second. The spray button, the water comes out from here. The steam burst button, the temperature control lamp here, and the temperature control here. Soft rubber around the temperature control, you can adjust it. And the self-cleaning button, press to clean up your iron steam. The sole plate, nice, I like it. Holes around to extract the steam. Max level indicator for the water tank, anti-calc, vertical, drip stop, 2400 watt max, Silvercrest logo, the same at the other side, with a soft rubber at the grip, and here, one hand use, definitely. It looks nice, and it feels nice. Well, I think it is about time to move on and test this steam iron and see how it works. But before that, let's fill up with deionized water. Nice, 320 ml. Beautiful. Okay, here we are. It's heating up right now. We can see the LED indicator. And let's increase the temperature. And of course you can unlock that from here, but at this moment, because it is the first time, let's wait. Okay, I think we are okay. Steam at first level. Let's see, and the water extraction, yep. Very well. The steam burst button. Okay, nice. And start ironing your clothes. Heat up time, it is very fast. That's why it is a cordless steam iron. and you can remove it from the base. I think without the power cord it is more easy to do your job. Install it again at the base and it's charging, let's say, it's heating up. It is light, it's charging. And everything are working perfect without the power cord. Cordless only, portable. Increasing the steam amount. It needs more time at the base if you want to use the steam. But definitely is doing a great job ironing all my clothes. And only with one hand, sometimes you can lock the base at the iron steam. You see how frustrating it is with the cables. Decreasing the temperature, it depends what type of clothes you have. Ironing my clothes, it is not one of the favorite jobs at my home. The amount of steam, it is very acceptable, I like it. And it costs only 20 euros. It is nothing, only 20 euros. With a 3 years warranty. Well, if it will break, who cares? It's only 20 euros. Nice, I like it. Now let's try the anti-drop. Okay, I don't see any water. That is cool, I like it. Only steam, perfect. And now I would like to test the set clean. It cleans your iron, the salt plate here, from any salt. Now, if you are using a regular water and not deionize it, you need to do the self-clean after every use. But if you are using a deionized water, you can do that once in a month. It depends how much you are using your steam iron. Now, it's very easy. Set the temperature at maximum. Steam, it is at maximum. And because we will get too much water, now press the self-clean button. You can do that and with one hand. And we can see some water, deionized water at this moment, just to show you guys how it's working. Yep. Great. I'm using this steam iron about 3 days. I don't need to clean with a self-clean button, just to show you guys how it's working. And of course it has an anti-calc filter inside. You don't need to replace that. And then set the temperature, press the burst button for the steam to remove any water. Perfect. You can wait 1 minute and next you can move on continue ironing your clothes. Well guys, I can say overall my whole experience was very good. It is a value of money for only 20 euros that it cost. You can use it with a power cord, without a power cord, cordless, for a small amount of time. You can use the sprayer. I like it. Nice. Definitely you will enjoy ironing your clothes. You can charge it. When I'm saying charge it, when it will switch off the LED, it is ready to use as a cordless. There it is. It doesn't take too long, not more than 10 seconds. And you can use it with a base. Or without a base. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.